Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the core elements moving. Heat oil in a wide pan so it's ready when the noodles hit. Once hot, add onions and garlic to bloom their aroma. This builds the base flavor. Add carrot strips next to soften without losing bite. Meanwhile, bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add 200 g noodles. Stir to prevent clumping. Doing these tasks in parallel saves time and ensures everything is at the right stage for the next step. Once the noodles are al dente and drained, keep 60 milliliters of their starchy water. This binds sauce to pasta. You should sear your protein separately so it develops color, then return it to the pan and deglaze with soy sauce to lift brown bits for deeper flavor. Add the noodles and the reserved liquid, followed by a spoonful of chili paste or preferred sauce. Toss vigorously so sauce emulsifies and coats each strand evenly. This creates glossy, well-seasoned blazer noodles. You finish by adding sesame oil, scallions, and a bright squeeze of lime to lift flavors. These final touches balance fat and acidity. Make sure to taste and fine-tune. Add small increments of salt, heat, or lime until it sings. If the dish seems dry, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water to loosen the sauce without diluting taste. If it's too greasy, blot excess oil with a paper towel and toss again. This rescues texture without losing flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.